The second event that we are celebrating today is the commissioning of the newly refurbished warehouse for the Commissioner Northern Division, which was also damaged by TC Yasa. I would like to sincerely thank the New Zealand government for stepping in and assisting us with the upgrade. As you will all witness after this, the newly refurbished warehouse will enable the ministry to safely store non-food items that are being prepositioned as part of our disaster preparedness. The prepositioning of such items is to assist in the timely distribution by the divisional teams to affected families in the aftermath of a disaster. The ministry, as you all know, is prepositioning assets this week, not only assets but of course stores too, to fill up the warehouse. And similarly, the ministry has been prepositioning in the Western Division and of course in the Eastern Division, including Rotuma. This movement of assets and stores would help us achieve our 100% readiness level for the current cyclone season. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fiji Met Office has declared another La Nina season for Fiji, which means we should expect more rain than average during this season. Let's be on the alert for possible floodings. Let me remind you that out of the 69 deaths reported as cyclone related during the years 2017 to 2020, 30 were drowning related cases. Drowning is well within our control to avoid. Life is precious and it doesn't come twice. Don't risk your life or your families by crossing any flooded river or walkway. Please refrain from swimming in these flooded areas. Finally, we must build a culture of disaster risk reduction which extends through all levels of society. Within communities, the private sector, civil society organizations, and across every ministry and departments in government. To put it simply, everyone, everywhere, should have working knowledge of what to do before, during, and after a disaster strikes. With those few words, I now officially commission the newly refurbished warehouse. Once again, thank you, New Zealand. Commissioner North, and the team, all the best. There you are.